To be honest, cabbage casserole does not even sound good, but Miss Brenda Gantt said we would absolutely love this, so I'm going to give it a try. We're going to chop up a small head of cabbage. I'm going to put this right into a casserole. I think I'm going to switch this over to something deeper. That looks good. Next, we slice one medium-sized onion. Make these very fine slices. And we spread these right on top of the casserole. Okay, I think that's plenty of onion. Okay, next we drizzle on a half a stick of melted butter. We're going to just drizzle that all around. And then we add about a half a teaspoon of salt. Sprinkle that all around. Okay. And then the same for the pepper. A little extra. I like pepper. Okay. To the side. Now we mix 1 can of cream of chicken soup with a half a cup of mayonnaise. Okay, once that's mixed well, we just kind of dollop it on to the top. Just kind of getting it in different places. I mean, I like cooked cabbage, but cabbage casserole does sound a little different. We will see. Then we're just going to spread this out. Just kind of spread it kind of evenly. Okay, for the topping, we need 1 sleeve of crackers. Crush them up. Whoops. With 1 stick of melted butter, pour that right in. And 1 cup of medium cheddar cheese. That smells good. And then we're just going to put this right on top. Just going to kind of spread it around. And this goes into a 350 oven for about 45 minutes or until it's golden brown. Can't wait to see this one. It's out of the oven and it does smell wonderful. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. It's very good, y'all. I'm not sure if people would choose it though. If it was on a Sunday buffet like at church, it might be one I would go, what's that? But if you give it a try and actually taste it, it's so good. I mean, it really doesn't taste like cabbage. It just kind of tastes like vegetables. So, I mean, I would make this again. I think Miss Brenda was right. Miss Brenda Gantt, you were right. This is very good. I do love it.